good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Candice Natalie's 7th birthday.
Yan kasi talaga favorite niya ever since. Parang, actually dapat ano,
Sobrang obsessed niya actually sa Bini.
noong una pa lang Blackpink yung gusto niya, pero since dumating ang Beanie, naging favorite niya na yun. Ayun na,
Lahat ng merch, binibili niya.
concert.
Concert, pupuntahan.
Again,
Grabe.
again, I got lemon in lime, and I'm feeling so fine. I mean, look at this life, it's worth something. I got sun in the sky, and I'm feeling so high. I mean, look at this life, I'm living. Got the recipe, living like sweet tea.
Love niya si Mika, Beanie Mika. Kaya naka-color red siya noong na hair ngayon.
So, so, so sweet. So, so, so sweet.
You're dancing, Lola.
SWWT. SWWT.
Wishing you the biggest, beaniest, awesomest birthday bash to date.
Dream name ko kasi siya, yung Candice. Ang syempre gusto ko kasi yun yung name ko. Once kasi narinig mo kasi yung Candice, parang ang ibig sabihin kasi niya is parang ang pretty niya.
Take a pic with your honeycomb queen. You hear that buzz? Yeah, it's all about me.
Happy birthday, Beanie Candice!
Got the recipe, living like sweet tea.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome and put your hands together for our birthday girl, Candice Natalie.
So, so, so sweet. Like honey, honey, like honey, honey. So, so, so sweet.
Pretty, happy, and healthy!
WT.
Tita Pa will always be here for you in every season of your life. Know that you are dearly loved by all of us. Happy birthday. Stay sweet and be bolage. We love you.
Feel your cup. That's the
Happy birthday, Candice.
never get
Nandito lang ako lagi sa'yo, Ate Casey mo.
Maging mas magalang lalo, tapos with God-fearing. Super love naman namin yan si Candice kasi ano yan eh, answered prayer yan sa amin. Matagal namin siyang hinintay. Tapos, ayun, ang dami pa nga naging cause dun sa pagbubuntis ko before. Pero, ayun, nung lumabas siya, thank God na naging okay po siya lahat. As in, wala naging problema.
I ain't never seen it like that. Don't wanna go slow.
You grow up to be healthy, wealthy, and wise. Study hard. Love you.
Everybody you know.
Stay OA like us.
Ring, ring, ring. Hello, hello.
Mag-aral mabuti.
Hello, hello.
Lumaki kang mabait, God-feeling, sumunod lagi sa parents.
Go, let's go. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Happy 7th birthday, Candice.
We love you.
Can you hit it replay?
Hi Candice, happy birthday, happy 7th birthday. Hope you will really grow into firstly a Christian child, a Christian woman, a godly woman.
Ring, ring, ring. Hello, hello. Ring, ring, ring. Hello, hello. Ring, ring, ring. Let's go, let's go.
Oh yeah! Okay. Alright!
Hello.
pay respect to your elders, and always put your priorities in place. Happy birthday. We love you.
Maging masaya ka sa iyong birthday. Lahat ng gusto mo, nakuha mo. Good health and be good.
Stay pretty and mag-aral mabuti. Yun lang.
Hello.